Sound is a captivating phenomenon reverberating through our lives, lying at the intersection of art, science, and nature's wonder. The human ear is remarkable yet limited, capable of recognizing vibrations from 20 to 20,000 per second. Beyond this range lies a realm of sounds imperceptible to us, but nonetheless real, a space possibly occupied by whispers of angels and demons, as some might romantically conjecture. Sound is an enigmatic force, both gentle and violent. It can soothe the soul and inspire creativity, yet possesses a power that can physically alter matter. Consider the deceivingly fragile vibration of a soprano's voice breaking glass. It is an example of resonance, where 1,100 vibrations per second match the natural frequency of the glass. This principle finds applications from the serene to the devastating. Beethoven's symphonies can enhance milk production in cows, their melodies calming and relaxing the creatures, while industrial processes employ sound waves to weld, clean, and inspect. Ultrasound technology, an offspring of this power, reveals the unseen. It glimpses into the womb, depicting every delicate heartbeat and movement of a developing fetus. It assesseth the liver for ailments, and in surgical practices, it allows for precision cuts. Yet sound is equally formidable. Its destructive capabilities echo in folklore and religious texts, where a single blast could lay waste to cities, echoing the divine retribution upon ancient tribes with nothing more than a shout. Today's science offers insights into these narratives, understanding sound as mechanical vibrations with the potential to resonate destructively at significant amplitudes. Sound waves at higher frequencies escalate into shock waves. They can corkscrew through metal, burst kidney stones, and burn cancerous tissues with surgical precision. The recognized myths of acoustic levitation and purification of air demonstrate sound's transcendent abilities. In studies and applications, sound proves to be a remarkable ally. It purifies, heals, and creates. It carries messages as intangible as a thought across vast distances, reminding us of its inherent nature as a bridge between the physical and metaphysical realms. What began as wonder becomes understood as the incredible energy form that is sound. It suggests that ancient texts which speak of sound's mighty force were, perhaps, not mere allegories but reflections of an understanding captured through different lenses. Today, in the realms of acoustics and vibrations, modern minds continue to unravel the mysteries, offering fresh appreciation and respect for this wondrous form of energy. Daily, we experience sound, its music harmonizing with our lives as an invisible yet ever-present force.